Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Aini binti Arsad, 245804. Today I want to present assignment 1 for real-time programming, who require us to extract the table in website and put it in the the data into the Excel. So first, we use a Maven. This project require us to use Maven and also Java and Java programming language. So in this case, we need to use two jar file, which one jar file for extracting data and one for write data into the Excel file. So uh, for the extracting data, we use JSON, and also for write the data, we use Apache POI. So this two jar file, uh, two jar file, we can download easily at the website. So first one is Scrapper. Scrapper, this one is for connect the URL and get it to the website that we have to extract the data from. So this one is the data that we have to extract the data from this table, which is from Malaysia Wikipedia. So we use this table, and then this for wiki table, who has inspect in the Java in the programming language here have already tell. Okay, and then for this one is to select the table, which is HD. If we use inspect, we can also tell. It can also tell for TH is for left side table, and TD for data for right side table. So we also use array list in this coding to get the data and to store the data into the array. So here, if we can, this is for just for printing the data into this coding intelligent idea. So this one we can get from this where is it, this one, where we use the method get column for get the data, and this one for printing only. And then for writing to the Excel, we use this XSSF workbook. So this one is object actually, and this one is a sheet name. And also we have to provide a row and column to every to the Excel file. So this one for column and this one for row, and this one is to make sure it's suitable in the Excel file. So this one is a file output stream, which is this is the path name that that will address to save the data in the Excel table. So I used to save it in C new folder, and if it's successfully record, it will print this one, and if not, it will print this one. So get this column from this class, so it will return the data that it's scrapped from the website. So This is the main that we call the Excel file to write it into the Excel file. So this one is from Excel class. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, it's a little bit so slower. It's okay, just wait. Okay, now it's extracting the data. Now we get the data from the website. So we wait until it's okay. Here we go. They already print the successfully recorded, and this warning just a simple. It's not the error, so just ignore that. Okay, let's see. Where is our Excel? Is it really there or not? Just wait. This will be a longer time actually. Yeah. Okay. This is the extracted data from the website. Yeah, we did it. And okay, if we open it and we open the Excel file and we run it, it will print the it will print error because it cannot extracting the data, cannot update the data into the Excel file because it's the Excel file already open, so it will error lah. So let's see the UML diagram. So this info is the getter class for scraper to get scraper is the URL, basically the extract class for extract the data. So info is the um, info is the class uh, to get the data. Yeah, yeah, and then Excel for just to print. Not print. This one for print, and it will extract the data and save it in the array list. This main point, main class, it's just to run the program, just to call it call all the class and run it. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.